Good morning, student. Today our topic is seals, script, and weights. First of all, I am telling you about the seals and ceilings. Seals and ceilings were used to facilitate long distance communication. I am giving you one example. Imagine a bag of goods being sent from one place to another. Its mouth was tied with rope, and on the knot was affixed some wet clay on which one or more seals were pressed, leaving an impression. If the bag reached with its sealing intact, it means that it had not been tampered with. The sealing also conveyed the identifier of sender. Now I am telling you about the enigmatic script. Enigmatic means mysterious script. Rahasyamahi script. First of all, here you see the longest inscription containing about 26 signs. Inscription means written material. We've also found the written material from the Harappan sites. Most of the inscriptions are short, the longest one containing 26 signs. So our archaeologists, they were not able to learn or they understand these signs. Then second one is undeciphered. Till now, this script remains undeciphered to date till now. Now it has 375 to 400 signs because the signs are too much. So same as it is, our archaeologists, they are unable to read this one. This script was written from right to left. Now on the different objects, this script was written on the different objects. We found on these script on the seals, copper tools, rims of jars, copper, terracotta tablets, jewelry, bone road, even an ancient signboard. So this one is very different thing that on all these things we also saw the written material. Now, what does it shows? It shows that literacy was widespread. It means that maximum people on that time were literate. The next I am telling you about the weights. Exchanges were regulated by the precise system of weight. Precise means clear and accurate system of weight. They were used the stone for made the weights. They were used a stone that called a chert. It means that they were used a chert stone for making their weights. Now the cubical in shape, the weights which we also find, they all are cubical in shape, but no marking on the weights. We never saw any marking on the weights. They were used two type of the system, binary and the decimal systems. Now for the lower denominations of weights, they were used the binary like as the 1 2 4 8 16 32 etc up to 12,800. Now for the higher denominations, they followed the decimal systems. The smaller weights, we also find some very small tiny weights. Maybe on that time they used that smaller weights for the jewelry and the beads. Now in this time our jewelers, they are used these small weights for the jewelry and beads. Now we also found the metal scale pens. They have been used these type of the scale pens for the weight. So in this way we see that they were used the different type of the seals. The script till now, that one is undeciphered, and they were also used the different weights. Now in the next video we will start our next topic. Thank you.